Hey you guys, it's Makaya. Welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I feel like I haven't posted in a while, but it really hasn't been that long. But I've been getting a bunch of questions about my hair. For some reason, you guys love this texture on me out of all the textures that I wear, like out of my straight hair, my bobs, my curly hair. You guys love this deep wave hair on me, and I honestly love it too. Like, it's really bomb, really nice hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know the details. And a lot of you guys wanted to know what products I use in this hair too, so I will be discussing that in the video as well. So first off, this is the Sunber Hair. They reached out to me and sent me this hair. This is their, I think it's their Brazilian deep wave. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'll probably leave it on the screen for you guys, just so I don't mess y'all up and y'all order the wrong hair. But this is definitely deep wave hair, I know that much. And I dyed this hair jet black because I've been really liking to wear, y'all, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm about to have a mental breakdown. No, I'm just playing, but I've been liking, let's put it that way. I've been liking jet black hair on myself lately. So yeah, that's why I've been dyeing all my hair jet black. But you guys, this hair is so bomb. It's so cute. But yeah, let me get back to this hair. So a couple videos ago, I posted about I think it was like a drugstore. Yeah, it was a drugstore slash one brand makeup tutorial. And I told you guys that I made a unit out of the rest of the hair. So I had one bundle, I think it was the shortest bundle, and I used that to do my ponytail. And then the other 3 bundles in closure I used to make a wig. And this is the wig. So this is a closure wig. I didn't get a frontal just because for some reason with textured hair I'd rather just have a closure instead of a frontal for some reason. So I got a 20-inch closure, I got a 22, a 24, and a 26-inch bundles. That's what I have in this unit because the 20-inch bundle I use for the ponytail. So yeah, that's pretty much the specs on this hair, you guys. This hair came really nicely packaged. This hair is a little bit easier to deal with than curly hair, I can say that, but it still does need like, it is still not really high maintenance, but let's say low maintenance. No, let's not even say low maintenance, let's say medium maintenance, okay? Because it's one step below curly hair. So if you get this hair, just know you're gonna have to put some tender loving care into it. So yeah, that's pretty much the specs on this hair. It's really gorgeous though, really full. Like, it's a lot of hair, but I like it. So the products that I use on my hair, I don't use a lot at all. I use a regular dimming brush. This is the only thing that I use to brush my hair. I don't use a comb, I don't use a bristle brush or anything like that. I just use a dimming brush. You can find this at your local beauty supply store for probably $2, no more than $4. If you find one that's over $4, they just charging you an arm and a leg for it, and they tried it. Okay, so get you a dimming brush. I use a squirt bottle with water in it. So I wet the hair down, I use the dimming brush, and sometimes I will go in with my Tresemme, what is this? Tresemme Mousse Extra Hold. So it's basically like a foam, you know, like a mousse. I'll use a little bit of this in my hair every now and then, but not every day. Not every time I wet this hair down, I use this. So mainly all I use is water and the dimming brush, and that's how I get my hair just like this. So yeah, you guys, if you like this hair and you want to get your hands on some for the summer, the spring, the fall, the winter, year round, summer school, I don't know, the beach, because I know a lot of y'all was in Miami for spring break, y'all. Spring break. Okay, I know a lot of y'all were in Miami for spring break, and this would have been the perfect hair. But you know, there's always summer, so if you need you some hair for the summer, this can be your summer hair, because this will probably be my summer hair, to be honest. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it on the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All of the links and everything will be in the description box, so check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Like you trying to get stuck in it. Gotta get it. In the air.